What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to make the cinematic video in this location. This is the location where I had gone to shoot the video. If you are going slow to make cinematic video, you just need one tripod to make awesome video. Tripod will become best friend if you are going alone to shoot the video. Let's make cinematic shot in this place. Today I will show how to make cinematic B-roll video in POV style.
Angle 1, focus the sky and decrease the brightness. And use slow motion. Always use multiple angles to shot the video. Angles to put the mobile in ground and focus to near areas. And start shooting. Simply walk like this. Always shot multiple videos so that you can choose the best one. This one is perfect. Angle 3, again decrease the brightness. Use tripod and start recording from your side. Angle 4, again focus sky and decrease brightness. And walk slowly. Angle 5, use tripod and make upside down and start recording. Angle 6, use trees like this and start recording from side. Use slow motion mode. Use different angles for best videos. Now watch the result. Now it's time for close-range nature cinematic shoots. Angle 1, put your phone in ground and focus like this. Then start recording. It is shoot from handheld, I don't have gimbal. Use slow motion, it will stabilize your video. Come closer to object, which will give motion blur, which looks more cinematic. Always shoot multiple videos with different angles. Let's watch the result.